Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Sanjay Singh, Professor in Management, working in RPIIT, Technical and Medical Campus. Dear friends, hope all are doing well. And today's video is about monetary policy. So let's get right into the video. Monetary policy is the policy adopted by the monetary authority of a nation to affect monetary and other financial conditions to accomplish broader objective like high employment and price stability. Normally interpreted and how and stable rate of inflation. Further purpose of monetary policy may be to contribute to economic stability or to maintain predictable exchange rates with other currencies. Today, most central banks in developed countries conduct their monetary policy within an inflation targeting framework where the monetary policies of most developing countries, central banks target some kind of a fixed exchange rate system. A third monetary policy strategy targeting the money supply and widely followed during the 1980s but has diminished in popularity since that, though it is still the official strategy in a number of emerging economies. The tools of monetary policy vary from central bank to central bank depending on the country's stage of development, institutional structure, tradition, and political system. Interest rate targeting is generally the primary tool being obtained either directly via administratively changing the central bank's own interest rates or indirectly via open market operations. Interest rate affect general economic activity and consequently transmission mechanism and are also an important determinant of the exchange rate. Other policy tools include communication strategy like forward guidance and in some countries the same of the setting of reserve requirements. Monetary policy is often referred to as being either expansionary, stimulating economic activity and consequently employment and inflation, or contradictory depending on economic activity, hence decreasing employment and inflation. Monetary policy affect the economy through financial channels like interest rates, exchange rates, and prices of financial assets. This is in contrast to fiscal policy, which relies on changes in taxation and government spending as methods for a government to manage business cycle phenomena such as recessions in a developed economies being independent of direct government control and directives. How best to conduct monetary policy is an active and indebted research area, drawing on fields like monetary economies as well as other subfields within macroeconomics. Okay, dear friend, that is a very brief discussion about monetary policy. Hope so you understand. Thank you. Thank you very much.